I've been doing this for 50 years, and every year I harvest huge amounts of tomatoes. If you want large, sweet, and healthy tomatoes, you can't miss this one fertilizer. Many people use expensive fertilizers, but the best solution is often hidden in simple, natural ingredients you already have at home. Start by preparing a tall container for mixing the ingredients. The first ingredient is milk, which is rich in potassium that supports plant growth and fruit production. Measure out 1 cup and pour it into the container. Next, take a cup and a bag of dried chamomile tea. Chamomile has anti-inflammatory properties, supports plant development, and helps protect against diseases. Place the tea bag into the cup and pour hot water over it. Stir and let the infusion cool down. Once cooled, remove the tea bag and pour the chamomile infusion into the container with the milk. Mix everything thoroughly. Now prepare a jar and pour the finished fertilizer into it. Store it in a dark place. When you want to use the fertilizer, measure out about 3 ounces of the mixture and pour it into a watering can. Then add about 6 cups of water to dilute it and water your plants. Regular use of this natural fertilizer will ensure healthy growth and abundant tomato harvests. Natural ingredients are the true power of gardening. You don't need to spend a fortune on expensive fertilizers to enjoy incredible harvests. Simple, homemade methods help your plants grow in perfect harmony with nature. 1 tablespoon of this can replace a ton of manure. No more spending money on expensive plant products. This mixture can replace several different fertilizers, and it costs almost nothing. It gives amazing results in the garden. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar to a bowl. Sugar boosts the amount of organic matter and encourages the growth of beneficial soil microbes. Then, add 3 teaspoons of potato starch. It's a natural source of potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, key nutrients for plant growth. Next, add 1 tablespoon of turmeric. It has antifungal properties, helps plants absorb nutrients, and protects them from disease. Pour the mix into a blender. Add 1 quart of cold water and blend thoroughly until the liquid is smooth and uniform. Measure out 1 cup of the mixture and dilute it in about 2.5 gallons of water. This fertilizer is perfect for watering vegetables, flowers, and other plants. Your garden will soon burst with color and look absolutely stunning. Cheap, natural, and effective. Water the cucumbers with this. They will grow instantly. In the summer, you'll be collecting them by the bucketful. This simple fertilizer will make them grow like crazy. It will supply them with necessary nutrients. You'll quickly see the difference. The cucumbers will green up and start growing. Prepare a 1-liter jar and pour in some warm water, but not hot. Add 1 tablespoon of dried yeast to it. Stir the water. Then add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Stir again, cover the jar, and set it aside in a warm, dark place for 2 hours. After this time, prepare a 5-liter bucket with warm water. Pour the yeast water into it, and mix everything. This way, we'll get a yeast fertilizer concentrate. For daily watering of the cucumbers, it still needs to be diluted. Before you do that, water the cucumbers first with plain water. It's important to moisten the soil around the cucumbers well. Then use the jar and scoop out 1 liter of concentrated fertilizer. Pour it into a 10-liter bucket of warm water. This bucket will be enough to water about 10 cucumber seedlings. That's 1 liter of fertilizer per seedling. This way you can water the cucumbers even daily, if necessary. You'll supply the cucumbers with necessary nutrients and stimulate their growth. They'll fruit like never before. Sprinkle this on your tomatoes and cucumbers, and they'll reward you with huge harvests. It works better than store-bought fertilizer, and everything you need is already at home. Plants need regular feeding to grow healthy and produce abundantly. Without it, they quickly weaken, leaves turn yellow, and yields are poor. Homemade fertilizer is not only cheaper, but also completely safe for the environment. You can even use it if you have a small garden or grow vegetables in containers. Add 1 tablespoon of citric acid to a bucket with about 1 1/3 gallons of water. Stir well until completely dissolved. Citric acid slightly acidifies the soil, which helps plants absorb important nutrients more easily. As a result, they grow faster, fuller, and become more resistant. It also helps reduce the spread of pathogens in the soil, lowering the risk of fungal diseases and improving the overall health of your crops. Water your tomatoes and cucumbers with this solution. Doing it once every 10 days is enough. The best time is in the morning or evening to avoid sunburn on the leaves. Try this natural mix and watch your tomatoes grow strong and healthy for a long time. Natural energy drops for abundant harvests and strong cucumber fruits. This is the best homemade fertilizer that will strengthen the plants and improve their resistance. Pour about 1 quart of water into a pot. It's best to use rainwater, which is natural, soft, and free from chlorine. Add 1 tablespoon of natural honey. Honey is a natural prebiotic that supports the growth of beneficial soil bacteria. It helps the roots absorb nutrients more efficiently, which speeds up plant growth. The next ingredient is iodine. Iodine has strong antiseptic properties. It protects cucumbers from fungi and bacteria, boosting their immunity. Add a few drops to the water. You can also add a bit of baking soda, which acts as a natural pH regulator for the soil. Mix everything vigorously to combine the ingredients and create an active solution. Water the cucumbers with this fertilizer once every 10 days, preferably in the morning or late afternoon. Thanks to this mixture, the soil becomes more fertile, the roots stronger, and the cucumbers firm and plump. This simple combination of natural ingredients acts as a growth booster. No chemicals, no costs, and a huge benefit for your garden. I fertilize hundreds of plants with this. Tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, and other vegetables, but also potted flowers and those in the garden. And it is actually cost-free, a whole pitcher of fertilizer for basically peanuts. Sounds great, right? It has potassium in it, which is important for flowering and fruiting. It additionally has phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium in it. It reduces the development of pathogens. It protects the seedlings from rot. Currently, the briquette, as it is referred to, is increasingly used as a better alternative to fertilizers. It can increase yields by tens of % compared to lime fertilizers, for example. Briquettes are compressed coal dust. At the very beginning, take the briquette and break it into small pieces with a hammer. Do this in a bag so that the crumbs do not spill. Now the fine briquette sifts through a strainer into a bowl. You only need the contents of the bowl. Take a pitcher and pour half a liter of warm water into it. Now pour in our briquette. Mix it thoroughly. Another good alternative instead of fertilizer is coffee grounds. Pour a spoonful into the pot with coal and mix. Leave our concoction overnight. On the second day, add 500 milliliters of water. Pour our concoction through a strainer. If you've already done this, you can pour out liquid into a diffuser bottle and spray the plants without any problems. In addition, twice a month you can water your plants with our concoction. You will see the effects for sure.